Hi everyone, today we are going to make idli upma with leftover idlis. The ingredients required are 5 idlis, half spoon salt, 2 spoons oil, half spoon mustard seeds, half spoon turmeric powder, half spoon chana dal, half spoon jeera, half spoon urad dal, 3 green chilies, curry leaves, 1 medium size onion, half spoon hing. First switch on the stove. Add 2 spoons of oil. Add mustard seeds. Add jeera. Add urad dal. Add chana dal. Mix well for 1 minute. Add curry leaves. Add green chilies. Add hing. Add chopped onions. Mix well. Add turmeric powder. Add salt. Mix well. Add smashed idlis. Mix well and heat for 5 minutes. Serve it into a plate. Now the tasty and yummy idli upma is ready.